20-21 for red, heading towards the drawbridge. Bob crossing that defense into the blue courtyard. Looks like they're going to get lined up to shoot. With 3 seconds remaining, can they do it? 20-84 during auto. Looks like they're getting stuck under the low bar. They free themselves. We'll see how that plays out. 62-01, trying to cross the red defenses. Looks like they're straddling it. There you go. Nicely done to get themselves unstuck. 20-84, Robots by the Sea. They've got a ball loaded up. Looks like they're trying to go shoot high for 5. And they get it just a little off the mark. Bob for red, trying to pick up a boulder. Bring it over to their courtyard. We're down to just 100 seconds remaining. Bob traversing the rock wall, heading towards that blue tower. Going to try to drop one high or low. We'll see. Crossing the low bar, taking out another defense. 20-84 for blue, dropping a boulder low. Nicely done. 82 seconds remaining. 59-69. Trying to get some position in the middle of the neutral zone. 3-19. Trying to get loaded up with another ball. 59-69, crossing the ramparts. Nicely done. Bob follows suit, taking that defense out. Nicely done there. Great teamwork. 20-84, trying to cross that red defense and trying to disable it. 62-01, trying to do the same. Bob opening the portcullis and going through there. Another 5 points for blue. 62-01. The Highlanders trying to cross the ramparts. Not making much progress there. 151 seems to be dead in the water. Hopefully they can get something going. Bob opening the portcullis once again. That's taking it out of commission. 4 of the 5 defenses have been disabled on the blue outer works. That's a ranking point for red. 20-84 traversing the ramparts. Nicely done. Another 5 points for red. Back and forth we go. We're at 49-33 right now. It's anybody's game. Teams race to the opposite towers to try to challenge them. We're down to just 12 seconds remaining. Bob looks to be good on that tower. 20-84 trying to get something going on their tower with 5.